Have you ever wondered why Google picks one site over another? You think it's all about content, but nope, it's about votes. Yes, votes. And no, not the ones where you're casting for an election. These votes come from websites. Let's break it down, and trust me, it's cooler than you think. Alright, let's talk about these votes. Picture it like this. Google is trying to decide which website is most important, like a popularity contest. But instead of people voting, pages are voting on each other. Let's say page A is a blog, page B is an online store, and page C is a recipe site. If page A links to page B, that's like page A saying, hey, I trust you, you're important. Now, don't get too excited, page B. Just because A links to you doesn't mean you're suddenly on the top of the food chain. It's more like getting a vote in your high school for the class president. Sounds nice, but does it actually get you any good? Let's find out. So here's the thing. It's not just the fact that page A links to page B, it's also about how important that vote is. If page A is a big authentic site like a news outlet, that vote counts for more than a link from some random blog that nobody's heard of. Think of it like a pyramid of power. The more important the page giving the vote is, the more weight it carries. And if page A has 100 other links pointing to different pages, the vote gets diluted. Kind of like trying to give everybody a piece of pizza. Nobody's getting a whole slice. Now, let's bring the math into this. The formula looks like as shown on the screen. Hold up, don't start panicking. It's not as scary as it looks. Here's the breakdown. The PR parentheses A is PageRank of A. The big equation part is about how page A's rank is determined by the vote it gets from other pages. The term PR parentheses BI over L parentheses BI is saying how important is page B and how many links does it have. That matters because if page B has many links, its vote is less powerful. Let's imagine page B has two outgoing links, one to page A and one to page C. Since page B is giving two votes, each vote counts for less because it is shared between two pages. So page B's vote to page A is worth less than page A's vote to page B, right? Yes, that is because page B has to share its page rank among all the outgoing links. It's like when you're handing out candy for Halloween. If you only have a few pieces, each keg it gets a full-size bar. But if you have a giant bucket, you're handing out a bunch of mini Snickers. Hate those people. It is the same concept. Finally, let's cover damping factor, which is D. This ensures PageRank doesn't go on forever and ever. Without it, the system could totally go out of control, like a domino effect that never stops. Google uses this to add a little bit of weight to each page rank so that the algorithm doesn't just keep feeding votes forever and ever. So if you're wondering why your website rank isn't improving faster, it might be because you're not getting enough of those big powerful votes. Kind of like the cool kids not passing you the ball in gym class. Even though it's a team sport, I hate those people, they suck too. Now let's wrap this up. Google uses PageRank to decide which pages should appear first in search results. And the most powerful your links, the higher the site's rank. But remember, this is one piece of the SEO puzzle. Google looks at other factors like content quality, user engagement, the page speed too. So if you're just sitting and hoping to rank number one by spamming links, yeah, good luck with that. Google can smell a scam from a mile away. So there you have it. PageRank, votes, damping factors. It's all about how the web links to itself. It's a giant web of trust, and trust me, Google is keeping score. Like this video, if you learned something, share it with your friends who are obsessed with SEO. And comment below if you've ever tried to play the link game. And remember, the best way to rank high on Google is with good content and good votes. See you next time.